Interpol is warning that the rush to connect everything to the internet could put consumers' security and privacy at risk. The world's largest international police organisation urges consumers to consider the risks of connected devices and to protect their smart homes the way they do their computers and mobile phones. In F-Secure's podcast Cybersecurity Sauna, the 20-year industry veteran Steve Lord talks about the landscape of IoT today.
When it gets to the point where your home is going to be broken into because some guys who were looking at places to break into broke into your Wi-Fi network while you were setting up a baby monitor, which is one of the things that we were able to demonstrate in some of the videos that we've recently been doing for F-Secure. They break in your Wi-Fi, they gain access to your IoT stuff, they then use that to monitor whether or not you're home and then break in. When that starts to come out, I think people are going to suddenly realize that there are real-world consequences to a lot of this stuff.
Despite Interpol's warning, there are also positive sides to consumer IoT. Click the link in the description to hear the full podcast episode.
Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you don't feel like liking, sharing and subscribing, remember you can also hack us. We have a bug bounty, and if you are able to break into our services, we will pay you money. Good luck, and I'll see you online.